One summer, I landed a position as a barista. I interacted with a lot of partners coming from the Starbucks Support Center, which is the headquarters here. And I see the passion that they display for the company and also the product, and that's when I know I want to pursue a career with Starbucks.
Well, finance at Starbucks is an exciting place to be, but at a more holistic level, finance is really about being a business partner. There are finance people behind literally everything we do.
What really attracted me to Starbucks was the opportunity.
We
really have a lot of different groups to work in.
Supporting retail, international operations, supply chain, manufacturing, corporate development, consumer product group. There's opportunity for partners to expand beyond what they currently do. That's very different than a lot of the corporations out there.
There's a lot of very intelligent people working around us, so I can learn a lot and really develop my abilities.
I love all the people that I've worked with over the course of the 14 years.
When I talk about being passionate about people, it's about our partners here, and it's about our partners everywhere around the world who bring to life Starbucks.
I really enjoy the ability to grow my career. It really feels as though it's in my hands.